Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this flower language filter on Snapchat. So this is the effect. If you don't have TikTok, this filter you can use. It's in Snapchat. Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, let me remove this. Yes, the filter is gone. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you can do, go to the search and you can search there flower language filter and you will find the filter. Suppose you are not finding the filter from the search, then what you can do, just visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Okay, wait for it. Okay, and you got the filter. To use, just tap on the screen, you will get the keyboard, write your name, hit done. Okay, now you have this option. Okay, let's go with some golden balls and okay, let's keep this in a jar. You can go to next page. Okay, you can select the text color. You can choose background color if you don't want your video as a background. You can choose this background. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this flower language filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.